In this short tutorial, you will learn how to find the clipboard on your Android phone. The clipboard is a useful feature that stores text and images you copy from different apps. This allows you to easily paste them later. Knowing how to access your clipboard can make it simple to reuse important information. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once in Settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled General Management. Tap on that option. In this section, you'll see various settings related to language and input options. Next, locate and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. This is where you can customize how your keyboard behaves. Once you're in there, scroll down just a bit until you find an option called Keyboard Toolbar. Toggle on this switch to enable the keyboard toolbar. The keyboard toolbar provides quick access to various features, including our focus today, the clipboard. Now that you've enabled the keyboard toolbar, exit out of the Settings app. Open any application where you can use your keyboard, like Messages or Notes. When your keyboard appears, look above the number row at the top. You should now see several options displayed there. To find your clipboard feature, tap on those three little dots, located at the end of this row. From here, various features will pop up, including our clipboard option. Simply tap on it to access all items saved in your clipboard. To make accessing your clipboard even easier in future sessions, drag and drop the clipboard button onto your newly activated toolbar, like this. And voila! The clipboard button is now part of your keyboard's main interface. Whenever you're ready to access your copied content again, just tap that new button. It makes retrieving important information a breeze. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.